Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Instagram effects and filters not showing. This probably happens when your Instagram crashes or something. First of all, make sure you go to your app store and check if your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Search Instagram here and see if it is giving the option of open, then it is updated, and if it is showing the update option, then you must update the Instagram to the latest version. Now go back to your menu and see if open the go to the settings, and in settings you just have to go to the general option, and in general you just have to find the option of iPhone storage. Go to the iPhone storage option, and in this iPhone storage option there will be all the apps that you have downloaded. So find Instagram here, go to the Instagram, and there will be option of offload app. You just have to click the offload app, and you have to click the offload app, so this will offload your app, and after offloading app you will be given option of reinstalling it, and you have to click on reinstall app. After reinstalling app, your problem will be solved. So this is how you can solve this problem. This happens sometimes when your Instagram crashes, so this is how you can solve your problem, and you can get your effects and stories back. So I hope you found this solution to your problem. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.